On guys, how'd you be? Cosmat51 back at it again. Log Cabin Chop Shop. What's going on? Oh my god! Would you look at this? We've got the V-twin Briggs & Stratton coming at you. Wow. What the oh. Burb. Oh shit. Come here, little man. Oh, look at little Mango. Hello, Mango. Don't chew the camera. Well, he says don't put it in my face. Anyway, guys. Glad to see you're all back for another one. In the shed. This time, link in the description. Like and subscribe. All that sort of stuff. Woo! Okay, so actually today what we are going to do is we're going to finally get this thing to run. So we're actually going to start it up, give it a test run, make sure... This is actually pretty funny. I'm trying to be a vlogger. Yeah, so we're going to run it, we're going to make sure we put oil in it. We're not going to blow it up like we did the first engine. And then we're going to do a factory test, like a stock speed run, see what it does, see if we can get it to wheel stand. We'll wheel stand it. And then maybe in this video we might do the pulley swap on the engine, which is my idea of actually cutting the welds off this with a grinder and sliding the two halves apart. And then what we'll do is we'll cut the section that we don't need, so we'll just cut it off down here. So we've got this nice short little shaft. Obviously you keep the washer in there, probably just cut it down through here somewhere. So we've got the nice short little shaft, it's easy to get to the bolt, and we can obviously remove the welds off the pulleys and swap the two pulleys around. That one's off the blown up engine. So that's the plan for today. Oil in the engine, got a new battery there. It's been sitting for about 3 months, so it's probably flat, so we might have to jump start it. Yeah, it's actually a really beautiful day today too. Look at the dogs are under the car. The guinea fowls, the fucking horse. I can't hold my camera steady enough. And Burb, don't know where the cat is. Burb's trying to do a flight. Pat the Burb. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, let's get into it. Now it's going to be really, really interesting because we have a... we've got a 20 litre drum of the engine oil we need, and we're running a 15W40 Delvac MX stuff from Mobile, because that's what I used to run when I was at work. Now I've just got to find, here we are, and what we're going to do is we're going to do it the slow and hard way with this very clean container. Righto, so we've got oil in. Just going to change the battery out to the one that's good, or supposed to be good. Let one out, on the bench, grab the new battery, fingers crossed it's still got a charge. If it doesn't, we're in for a bad time. Not really, we can always jump start it. Oh, gives us new bolts, nuts, bolts and washers. Check to make sure the key's off. Yep. So we don't catch it on fire. I'm getting pretty excited. This very stage in time. See what she sounds like. Hop off, little bird. Righto, okay, so here we go. The grand test firing.
This sucks, man.
Right. I think the issue is going to be in one of these switches I've pulled off. Namely this one, I think. Come on, get over. Good, eh? Alright, now let's try it. Hey! Lovely. Alright, turn that fuel tap on. Gonna have to get some petrol. Because that smells really disgusting. So we'll get some petrol. I'm going to put some petrol in it. I'm going to choke it, do some other stuff. Ooh, she's getting close. I've got the excitedly little happiness happening. So I just ran, for no real particular reason. I'm just going to fill this up with some nice fresh It's got some fuel in there. Fuel tap's on. Might choke it, yeah, we'll choke it. Make sure that throttle butterfly's set to we might just have it open a bit. Right, now what we're going to do is I'm going to cut the end off this. Cut the end off that so I can, and then I'm going to put a loop or something in it so I can use that. Because that's still the original throttle, so I'll just get the grinder, because the grinder seems to be the best thing for the job. Okay. Just plug it up. This is going to be my throttle. Bit of a test run. It's very sticky. Right, so now I've got it choked, some fuel in there. We might get a little bit of petrol just to, how are we going to do this? I have an idea. I don't have a pumpy bottle. Fuck! Idea's not going to work. Start your bastard. Just to make sure that she's firing. It's a bit hard to do this at once, but no firing. We'll check to see if we got spark. Be the next best thing we can do. What can we set that on? There we go. I'm going to be a couple of cable ties and just zippy tie that down. Our clutch lever here. As if I can. Alright, we've got the clutch cable, clutch tied down, so now we can just sort of, you see? Right, we've got no spark. Why don't we have spark? Far out.